Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Hi and welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My mind is all set on watercolors, and that's because of the new course at Sketchbook School, Watercolor Rules and How to Break Them. If you like drawing, then you probably also like watercolors. And in this course, there is so much to learn. It's really amazing. And I am pretty sure that you might have a watercolor set somewhere. Maybe you use it daily, maybe you never use it, maybe you don't even know how to use it. So here's a tip that can really help you to get to know your colors a little bit and know how to use them. When you start a new sketchbook, the paper might differ from the previous sketchbook. And that means that your watercolors might actually react quite differently to the paper, because the surface might be quite different. So what I recommend to do right at the beginning of your sketchbook is make a page with some swatches. So just pick up paint from every pen of your palette and put it on the page. You could even write the names of the paint next to them if you want to, so it's kind of a document of the paint that you're using. But you can also just use it to see if any granulation is happening or how the paint reacts on more or less water on the paper, how the paper reacts on the paint. All that, you can see that actually in just a few swatches. And then of course, what can be really fun is to draw your palette as well. You can just quickly draw it, doesn't have to be like photorealistic or anything, as long as it just sort of looks like your paintbox and you have enough space to draw all the compartments of it. Then use the paint again to color your drawing. That's a different way of making swatches. When I do a drawing like this, I really like adding a bit of shadow to give it a bit of weight. And I don't have gray in my palette on purpose because I like just mixing my own gray. So every time it's a little bit different. And just mixing a little bit of blue and a little bit of dark brown, Van Dyke brown in this case, you can create a really nice neutral or bluish gray. So I add that to my painting and I am done with my page full of swatches. So if you are using excuses to break into that new sketchbook, no excuses anymore, just start with a swatch page like this. Make some swatches and look at how your paint reacts on the paper. Maybe you can take some notes as well. Make a little drawing, paint it, have fun. And if you want to learn more watercolors, head on over to sketchbookschool.com and sign up today for the new watercolor course. I'll see you next week. Bye.